Getting an Amazon Associate ID when signing up is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Visit the Amazon Associates website and click on the yellow Sign Up button in the middle of the screen. Now check your account information on the screen. Amazon Associates will confirm the address where your future payments will be sent. Once you're happy with the listed address, hit Next. If you'd like the payments to be sent to a different address, hit Someone Else. I need to enter their information at the bottom of the page. Submit your qualifying websites, mobile apps, or Alexa skill URLs. Paste all the best possible websites you would like to use affiliate marketing on in the leftmost box on the screen, and all of the best possible mobile applications and Alexa skill URLs in the rightmost box. Amazon looks for websites and applications with high quality, accessible, and recent content that isn't blocked by any paywalls. Make sure your link or app has at least 10 posts that the Amazon Associates team can eventually review. Then, log into your Amazon Associates account and find your ID in the top right corner of the screen. Now create an affiliate ID by signing up on the Amazon Associates website. Make 3 sales through affiliate marketing so your account can be reviewed by the Amazon Associates team.